who's watching me for the very first time, my name is Priya, and today I am bringing you content which is a little different than the usual. I know that we're still getting used to the new normal. Some people have gone back to work and some people are still working from home. It is not easy at all since it feels like we're still in 2020 and we have not even moved on. So today I will be sharing with you guys how I actually reset myself for a whole new week so I do not feel overwhelmed, unproductive, and I'm ready to tackle a new week. I have an 8 to 5 full-time job, plus I'm an online influencer, which is another full-time job. So my week does get extremely busy with the busy schedule I have. So if you're a mom, I can only imagine how crazy your schedule must be. In order to ensure that we are on track and we are not falling behind, these are the following things which I do to prep, plan, and get organized for a new week. If you're feeling overwhelmed, unproductive, and drained out after a really hectic week, maybe this video could help you get back on track. It is not anything complicated. All you have to do is click on the reset button. And to do that, these are the things which I do at the end of the week on Sundays, so I'm prepared to tackle a new week. So the very first thing which I do is clean my surroundings. I feel like the more congested your surroundings are, the more drained out you feel. You feel like you're so unorganized, you feel like you're unproductive, and you feel like you're not going anywhere. So Sunday works best for me to do a whole reset and clean my surroundings. Dusting, vacuuming, laundry, making sure that my washroom and my kitchen is spotless clean. Clean surrounding basically enables the positive energy to flow through the home, which brings good vibes and automatically you feel good. So the second thing which I do is meal prep. So I go through my pantry, I check out everything which I need for the rest of the week. I plan what all meals I'm going to have for breakfast, for lunch, and what kind of dinner we're gonna have for the rest of the week. So we go through that and we make our grocery list accordingly. We are still trying to stay safe and we're still trying to stay inside and not go out as much. So I do take advantage of PC Express. So those of you who don't know, this Superstore has their own website called priti.devi, and all you gotta do is just create your account and you go in and select all the items which you need. You select the date and time for pickup which works best for you, and then you go ahead, place your order, and you show up at the time when your order is ready. Also notify you via text and email once your order is ready for pickup. Now, this option may not be available for people who are watching me from other countries. However, it is really nice to actually plan your meals, prep, make your shopping grocery list, and actually go out and get all the grocery products which you need for the rest of the week. And this will save you a lot of time. So this checks off another thing from my list, and I don't need to stress throughout the whole week planning what I need to eat next. The third thing which I like to do is get some fresh air. Yes, I get a cup of tea and go outside for some fresh air and practice deep breathing. I also think about things which I'm grateful for. This helps bring positivity and automatically you feel happier. If you have time, you can also go for walks and practice deep breathing and gratitude. The fourth thing which you should do is something you enjoy. I usually read, or I just listen to some good music or motivational podcasts. If you love watching TV, you can also watch funny TV shows which will make you laugh. Listening to music makes you happier, lowers stress, helps reduce depression, and automatically improves your mood. Listening to podcasts can help you learn about a subject and motivates to be happier in life. This totally depends on what kind of podcast you prefer. I love motivational podcasts. Watching hilarious TV shows and laughing reduces blood pressure, reduces anxiety and negative emotions. It's a natural antidepressant and has so many other benefits. If you have pets, spend as much time as possible with them. They keep you fit, they make sure you're never lonely, and they lower your stress levels as well. Amazing, right? We're blessed to have such amazing friends who actually sent this little birdie our way, and we spend so much time with it. Every bit of our time spent with this cutie is worth it. Fifth thing which I like to do is journal. I like to write down things which I need to tackle for the following week. This could be work or personal appointments, finances, paying bills, so I am on top of my schedule. The sixth and the last thing I like to do is spoil myself. After cooking a nutritional meal for myself, I make a homemade face mask and apply it on my face, listen to music for 30 minutes, take a warm bath, and then I'm ready for bed and ready to tackle a new week. I know this might not work for everybody, and definitely I'm not a professional, but if you are a fighter like me and want to be on top of your schedule, at the same time take care of yourself, give this a shot and let me know if this worked for you. I'm sure you'll love it. If you love the content I create, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you're notified every single time whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.